And 6:18 now on this Saturday morning. Of course, all eyes are on the tropics, and we will have impacts from what is now tropical depression for later on today, Sunday, and lingering into Monday a little bit here. But right now, it's still quiet out there. We're at 77 out in Polk County. Not a lot going on Max Defender 8 radar. Remember, that storm system still way to our south, and it is still organizing. So a very quiet start to our Saturday morning. I will say, though, some of those outer rain bands, as the system gets a little bit more organized later today, will start to drift north into our area, and we'll see some of those rain bands. But at the moment, you can see there's a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity kind of bubbling up near the center, but it doesn't really look like a tropical system just yet. It is going to look like that later on today, though. That forecast track brings it to our west as we head through the next 24 to 36 hours. So this is tomorrow at 2 p.m. here, and you can see the center of the storm can be anywhere within this cone, but the cone isn't necessarily over Tampa Bay. So it does look like it's going to stay out in the Gulf of Mexico, strengthening on Sunday and into early Monday morning as it moves toward the Big Bend before it moves on shore and moves off to our north. But with the system out in the Gulf of Mexico, that means that we will likely see a little bit stronger of a system. But luckily, those forecast models continue to bring it off to the north. They don't linger it in the Gulf of Mexico for very long. The waters, of course, are very warm, so it is going to strengthen as it moves off to the north. But those forecast models in very good agreement. Now, could we see a shift to the east or to the west just a little bit here or there over the next 24 hours? Yes, but I don't think our impacts here in the Tampa Bay area are going to change very much unless we see a significant shift west, and in that case, our conditions would improve. But for the most part, I think our forecast is pretty much set here over the next 24 to 48 hours. So as we go through the day today, it is not going to rain all day long here. Future radar showing you we will actually be mostly dry through much of the morning, but some of those outer northern rain bands will start to take shape, and they'll kind of pass throughout the area. As they do, of course, that heavy rain will come through. Winds will be breezy to gusty within those outer rain bands, and then it'll actually dry out. There will be breaks in the rain today. Another bands coming through possibly tonight. Again, winds will be breezy to gusty. Then as we wake up tomorrow morning, that system will be well into the Gulf of Mexico. It'll look more like a tropical storm as we head into Sunday as it continues to organize. But those strongest winds still offshore at this point, and we will likely see some dry time in the morning hours on Sunday. But as the system passes to our west, we're going to see some of those tropical rains making their way through. Winds are going to be gusty, 20 to 40 mile per hour winds. Higher gusts are possible in some of those rain bands that move through. Coastal flooding and inland flooding are going to be my biggest concerns, because we've seen a lot of rain this year, this summer, so those grounds are saturated. And as the system moves off to the north, notice those wind direction. That wind is going to push some of that water up along our coastline. So Sunday afternoon tides will be higher than normal. We're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of rain when it's all said and done as well. And notice this, anytime we're on this side of the storm, the eastern side of the storm, we'll have to watch for those quick spin up tornadoes as the system passes here. This is early Monday morning, moving onshore to our north. We still have onshore winds, and Monday it looks like we're still going to be dealing with some of these lingering rain bands even as the system pulls away. So I keep those rain chances on the higher side on Monday. Again, 2 to 4 feet of water is possible up along the coast Sunday afternoon into early Monday morning. So be mindful of that. If you live along the coast, we have dealt with this with a couple of the storms in the past. It's just really going to time out, really depend on when exactly that second high tide is of the day for your area on Sunday, because this is the higher tide on Sunday. And again, that rainfall highest along the coast, but 3 to 6 inches of rain possible area wide with some localized higher amounts. So rain chances highest Sunday, highest Monday, and then as we head into next week, we'll be dealing with more of an onshore wind, but certainly still seeing our daily showers and storms.